For brotherhood we were answered, peace, equality, and unity. If blessed with cell of human care, we will share our lives to be our liberty.
Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay ang WMR2!
Mabuhay!
Alright, thank you so much, Kuya Ate Bunso and friends of Eagles. You may take your seat now. And the structure of the ice. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Kuya Ate Bunso and friends of Eagles, may gabi.
May gabi, mga kuya, ate, bunso, and friends of Eagles. May gabi.
May gabi.
Oh yeah.
Di naman. Asa naman ako sa City Eagles Club? How about Marine Eagles Club? Sinagawa Eagles Club? Tunera Eagles Club? Kutang Shrine Eagles Club? Oroqueta Lopezaina Eagles Club? Mount Malindang Eagles Club?
Yay!
Ano ko Malindang?
Hoy, asa?
Chaps Eagles
Tulog mo.
Club!
Chaps Eagles Club?
Ang job.
Dapat nalimutan?
Napinalintan? Sinakaban mo na. May na, okay. At this juncture at the ice, may I call on to give us the welcome address, ladies and gentlemen, Kuya Ate Bunso and friends of Eagles, the president of Mount Malindang Eagles Club, the host for this Eagle Olympic 2025. May I call on Kuya Alan Kalinsuga